Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Cockpit and monitor CPU memory alerts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for your Cockpit interface. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Cockpit login page. On the login page, enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Click the Login button to access the Cockpit dashboard. Once logged in, you will see the main Cockpit interface. Locate the dashboard section on the left side of the screen. Click on the dashboard if it is not already selected. Here, you will find an overview of system performance. To monitor CPU alerts, look for the System Resources section. You will see real-time graphs displaying CPU usage and memory statistics. Hover over the CPU graph to view specific usage metrics. If there are any alerts for CPU usage, they will be highlighted. For memory alerts, check the memory usage section below the CPU graph. Again, hover over the memory graph for detailed information. Regularly monitor these sections for any abnormal activity. If alerts appear, investigate the cause immediately. Utilizing the Logs feature can also help you identify issues. Click on Logs in the left menu for a comprehensive logging overview. Review the logs to diagnose potential problems affecting performance. By following these steps, you can effectively log into Cockpit and monitor CPU and memory alerts in real time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.